So this is something I'm very, very excited about, especially because of Haruna Idrisu.
Say, Obia petition, Speaker of Parliament, Speaker of Parliament is here for Adwasa for Kennedy, Japan. And Henry Coty MPP for me, so we am for Munko Privileges Committee. I likely say Sanko for you, but promote monthly Parliament 15 days.
Now defend you.
Now Muntaka was already defend you. Says here Supreme Court to say Mamoje double salary. Sa double salary now Moje Yano. Abronye Bruno Regional Chairman. I send all the bed down on Famra.
I'm baby me.
Abronye said Nana Kufadu Hunyo. Hey, and I'm going to say Abronye.
This story, I got so when excited. I saw the story, I got so excited. Miniaji Papa, yeah. And the story is that Judge Hunyiga essay NDC for na MPP focus emoji double salary no substitute service. Yembe serve money from Umbra Court on jail mo. So Muntakati was say, oh, I just have for the Abronye for no and Nembano, the social welfare before Nembano me say. With this, I support it 100%. Chambers with Jimmy NDC MPs, moon leadership na mo no. Mo be mo rough. Hey, Hunyiga is going to retire in September. These are some of the jobs they have given him. When you're 3 idiots who never came to Parliament, Kennedy Japan Jimmy or so not to radio so. Ya real doctor na ma. Ochino we dross, ochino we pants, we akwasi ampenyi, mo konukuro mkoshe asa mwa no muguo no mutomano. On my Parliament argument papa bi ontimi nyebi na adwin ontimi ntrase and analyze issues on my Parliament not aditin kankankan mu no didi patem o dinkofo atem na MPP for ye nkwasiafo nti akanfo ye jimi nti sa nipa na ye hwe no on my Parliament mompam no muntaka kwasiato de se ai adwasafo ma na ye de wo muntaka except oba penyin no omba ne nyina wo mo abrochire nti na wogina hodi sa nkwasiasem no na I am very happy. And Hunyiga jailed them. Who be that? Ekufuor will deplete your party before he leaves, and he's going to use Hunyiga. Hunyiga September ya no free we the judge Juma. Edaya ya tamano sika ya diamano. He is going to do the job for Ekufuor. You people will see. Namu di mujimi mo Alban bag bi ni di mo kwasi ade to Parliament say let's protect parliamentarians who don't come to Parliament. Namu di mu be that. So now the Supreme Court has ordered Bono East Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Kwame Bafo Anotantan Abronye, to serve a writ on Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu and 8 other former appointees of ex-President John Mahama. Last year, the outspoken NPP fool petitioned Supreme Court asking it to interpret Article 98 of the 1992 Constitution. Or say a NDC MPs almost 7 under Mahama no Abronye no tantan say omaje double salary. Hunyiga say ono so agya to munko 7 ono mfo mbra. Hunyiga jail them. Samuso mo Jimmy. Me say Hunyiga jail these NPP guys. NDC guy. Jail Haruna Idrisu. Jail anyone who took the money. Na mu setia. Jimmy, you got the opportunity to be majority in Parliament to run the show. You are foolishly sitting there. Umuntaka. Oko asawasia. Wako di nkwasi asemu ho. Oko asawasia wo. Edan abetuna broche. Ebetuma hwe asawase 400,000. Woma come out and say you never gave birth to your kids in America. Abu will be told one like that. Or second wife. Omunyanko womba abroche. Into a Parliament to say let's save Adwasafo. You are foolish idiot. And I pray that Hunyiga jails you people. Because this is the clear work of Ekufuor. And I'm happy this is happening. So, Jimmy, you got your opportunity, you were fooling with it. Mako ji sikafia bi na mudi Jimmy more Parliament. Ekufuor be chirem so Jimmy Chemo. Oni patietia a ni huni ho. Obe chirem so Jimmy Chemo. So, Hunyiga justice. We know say you there you take and quick. Obeje quick. O there dey awa jewie. Jail them. Afi omu gumu party ni wia enambo hu sesa ndoko ye je mensa so to sidelines or prepare last week okoye meeting on Jubilee House last week no ne
levy is a man say a here for na ebe taxi wo no Now, President can say to maybe at the choice of word wouldn't have, like he said, the electronic payment system is becoming one of the increasing channels booming, developing.
Good.
Martina, like I said, my only reservation on e-levy as an MPP man would have been that the telcos had a responsibility to run communication, whether data, voice, whatever, any form of communication. Now, financial part of transaction abeka home. So, like we deal with the banks, can we have similar acts or bills or laws that deals with the telcos in managing how they run the financial side? So that if the banks were charges be omutia buying omo taxes omutia, for something like that, and apply my telcos, So they are paying whatever corporate tax on the financial side now, umabano. So that them mayors are buying moment now no overtake that advantage, that opportunity to take directly from the citizenry. But there could have been a better arrangement where send a bank for you juma a buying emfa bank for a chinko scano and can telcos no a bibisa. That is my only reservation at the approach that I thought possibly care for so be and came fast the day we number. Okay, telcos monkoswa, but since not financing yamo core mandate, then we need to regulate more. It's only regulating microfinance one when supposed to get this business there, then this is what is going to regulate you. But not necessarily any tax need from people who do the transaction.
I want to president mood, throughout the interview, now as a
there was a point now from the voice it shows. I mean any part from the voice. President Kufuor is not the type now say or kasa na bufu ni ma ni tonation gives him out and say the president is okay, he's happy, everything is not
lively.
But the moment as a voice will be raised, then we'll say as agitation, kakra. It came out. Possibly because he felt that the gentleman's line of questioning was targeting his governance as causing the problems the guy was referring to. And he would have, it was
the guy not ignorant.
No, he's not ignorant. I mean, he's an international journalist, man. He knows what he's doing. I mean, for him, this puts him on that spotlight.
Yeah.
And he's an international journalist. That's why I'm saying, sir, can mess so much opportunity now. Highlight the good that we are doing and so than trying to seek to portray what they seem as not working in African countries.
Padmo Bafwe Japan of the NPP, former first vice chair for Medina constituency, also Nochia Boniface Abubakar Sadiq. Yes, Papa. Now Henry Waha, Honorable Henry Oseakoto, NDC's parliamentary candidate.